Hi everyone, it's Eska here. In this video, I'll be delivering a DIY video of celebrity nail art at a low cost titled Let's Copy Celebrity Nails. The nails of gorgeous celebrities are all super trendy and stylish. In this video, I will try to recreate the stylish polka dot nails of Kylie Jenner, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This time I'm going to recreate Kylie Jenner's colorful polka dot nails. It's not just a dot pattern, but an involved dot nail that combines colorful hues such as red, white, pink and yellow with French manicure. The playful design of changing the sides and color of the dots is super cute. Dot patterns are easy to make even for beginners, so please give it a try. Okay, let's start by making this design. First, draw French manicure in dark pink. French manicure cannot be drawn well if you draw them directly with the brush from the bottle. So first, take the gel out onto aluminum foil or palette before drawing. After taking out the gel, use a long thin line brush to draw the curved lines of the French manicure. First, draw 3 marks. Then, connect the points with the curved line. Once you have drawn the line, use the brush from the bottle to fill in the tip side of the line. Be careful not to go beyond the line. After you have finished painting the fringe part, harden it with the light. One coat is too light, so apply a second coat in the same way. After you have finished painting the fringe part, harden it with the light. Next, draw the dots. Take the red gel out onto a palette and apply gel to the tip of the toothpick or dotting pen. First, draw a row of dots in the center of the nail. The dots should be about the size of the tip of the dotting pen, and you should space them evenly. For this design, the dots are drawn gradually smaller as you go to the outside of the nail. So draw larger dots of the same size in the middle row. After drawing a row of dots, draw a row of dots on each side that are a little smaller than the previous one. Draw the dots directly next to the first dot you drew. After drawing on both sides, draw a row of slightly smaller dots on each side. Again, draw them in the same directly next to the first dot you drew. Once you've finished drawing dots on the entire nail, harden it with the nail light. Now, let's draw another dot pattern. First, apply 2 coats of pink gel. Then, draw dots with white gel. For this design, draw smaller dots as you go to the tip of the nail. The secret to making each dot look beautiful is to draw them in the same vertical and horizontal position. Once you've finished drawing the entire nail, harden it with the nail light. Finally, finish by applying a non-wipe top coat. Once you've applied it all over, harden it with the nail light. And that's it. This time I've copied Kylie's design and draw in the pink, red, white and yellow. But it's also cute if you use colorful colors such as vivid colors and pastel colors. If you have any requests for me to copy a celebrity's nail design, please let me know in the comment section or send me a DM on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.